For those of you who love to go camping and venture deeper into the woods, that's what the laminated Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro is all about. You'll find there are a solid variety of floor plans for both the camping couple and the adventurous family. Today I'm going to show you the Flagstaff E-Pro's efficiency via its fabulous interior and exterior features, plus I'll speak to the quality of construction as well as what tow vehicles you'll need to tow a Flagstaff E-Pro into the woods. So let's get into it. As a Flagstaff E-Pro is designed to get out and go, the living area is generally a combo of the bedroom as well. Some models will have some separation and include a dinette, but for the most part, you'll be using the bed, or Murphy bed in some models, as your place to hang out in the evening. You'll be in comfort thanks to the 13,500 BTU roof AC in most models, or the 11,000 BTU AC placed under the bunks in the smaller models. As far as heat, every Flagstaff E-Pro has an ample 20,000 BTU furnace. That's plenty of heat for the efficient E-Pro. To help get your interior nice and dark for nap time, the E-Pro comes with roller shades. For those models with the slide out, you'll note there is a One Control app to run the slide out as well as control the lights, plus it comes with Power Pro voice control. For entertainment, every Flagstaff E-Pro comes with a 12-volt smart TV with stereo. Reception is available via the Air 360 Plus omnidirectional antenna with Wi-Fi prep. In the kitchen, for most floor plans, you'll get a stainless steel undermount sink with a high-rise faucet, making prep and cleanup much easier. The fridge is a 12-volt one and varies in size by model, but suffice to say, you'll get a handy amount of cold storage. Over your head, most models will give you a good set of dry goods storage and follow that up with some drawers with full extension guides. For getting your meals hot, you'll get a recessed cooktop with flush mount cover and a microwave, with some models sporting a convection microwave oven. Some models will also come with a standard oven. The Flagstaff E-Pro has a unique feature in the bathroom for a smaller travel trailer, the ShowerMiser Water Saver. The system is honestly great for boondockers, as the fresh water essentially will recirculate back through the system while the water is heating up, rather than simply just running water into the gray tank as the water heater gets cranking. Speaking of, most Flagstaff E-Pro models have a quick recovery auto ignition gas electric water heater, while some have the on-demand tankless one. Every Flagstaff E-Pro does have a max air ventilation fan to whisk out the steam. On the Flagstaff E-Pro exterior, you may be surprised to see there's a power awning. It's a smaller travel trailer, so it would stand to reason maybe it wouldn't be power, but it is. Another shocker, at least to me, despite it being a smaller travel trailer, the Flagstaff E-Pro has solid entry steps. There's not going to be any pulling and pinching here. Another surprise, check this out, a power tongue jack. That's super helpful for hitching, unhitching, and leveling. You will also get truss-style stabilizer jacks to keep your E-Pro rock steady. The E-Pro also comes with two 20-pound LP bottles. Not a big deal, right? Well, it actually is, considering that many small travel trailers only have one 20-pounder up front. Also up front is the automotive-style tinted windshield that will allow in light during the day and give a great view at night. It's usually found on most of the E-Pro models. On the side, take note of the magnetic door catch on the baggage door. Again, it may not seem like a big deal, but your hands and head will thank you. The tires are 15-inch Mud Rover radial tires with TPMS mounted on polished alloy wheels, and as you'll see, there is a lift kit. And if your adventures cause a flat, you can rest easy knowing there's a spare tire with carrier in the rear. Those who love to cook outside will love that every Flagstaff E-Pro comes with an outside griddle with propane hookup. You can flip your flapjacks and listen to tunes on the outside speaker. On the back, you'll find a ladder for inspecting the roof. Right beside it sits the rear camera prep for those who want to add on a backup camera. And down below is a hitch receiver so you can mount a rear bike rack or luggage rack. Some other exterior features include a spray port, a black tank flush where applicable, and every Flagstaff E-Pro comes with a 200-watt solar roof panel with an inverter and ground solar prep if you want additional solar power. As for a few more options, you can get a tongue mount bike rack, a slide topper to protect the slide out from the elements, and Pro Rack mounting bars. When it comes to the way it's built, the Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro is solid. You'll get 6-sided aluminum cage construction and aluminum cage dinette bases and beds. The walls and roof are one-piece vacuum laminated to help prevent water damage, Plus, you'll get interior and exterior composite sidewall construction in Asdel structural exterior walls. Your holding tanks will be heated, so there's no worry about early or late season camping. And to deflect the sun's heat, you'll get tinted bonded frameless windows, which is honestly just a really nice upgrade. You'll get a high gloss fiberglass cap too. Boondockers will love the Dexter Torflex torsion axle rubber ride suspension just to make it an easier tow as you head into unpaved territory. Do you love everything about the Flagstaff E-Pro? What's not to love, right? It's a great choice when you want a smaller, lightweight, and very well-designed travel trailer. It's also a great choice for a travel trailer to tow as they range from as short as 12 feet up to about 21 feet in length, and they're only 1,900 to 4,300 pounds in dry weight. Now granted, that is dry weight, but even their GVWR is good as it tops out around 5,000 pounds. So what can tow the E-Pro? Well, you're looking at things, a lot of mid-size SUVs like a Nissan Pathfinder, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Mercedes-Benz GLE are all great options. As for trucks, there may be a couple compact trucks like a Ford Maverick or Hyundai Santa Cruz that can handle towing the smaller E-Pro models, but for the most part, you'll be perfectly set with a mid-sized truck like a Chevy Colorado, Ford Ranger, Nissan Frontier, or Toyota Tacoma. If you need to know your vehicle's tow capacity, just head to your local Camping World and they can figure it out for you. And while you're there, it may not be a bad idea to check out a Flagstaff E-Pro in person. Enjoy your RV search and happy camping.